Key product features. These are the bullet points. The first 3 bullets are of the most importance because, again, on a mobile device, these are the only bullets that show to a customer. Now, they can click and expand and see more, but nobody does that. So we use the first 3 bullet points to describe the benefits of our product, and I have a whole training inside my community of what we call the Amazon copywriting process. It's very effective, very powerful. But we also use the last 2 bullet points very interestingly. We cram in as many keywords as possible. Now, people who do not understand Amazon completely will tell you, well, there's no benefit of putting keywords in bullet points, Jason, and they are wrong, every single one of them. There's a tremendous benefit to it. We do it all the time. And so since nobody sees the 4th and 5th bullet point anyway, it doesn't do anything to detract from our listing. We're going to add additional keywords that we didn't fit in our title. Our most important ones are going to go in the title. Our next most important keywords are going to go in the bullet points. These are free sales for us. Because if customers type in some or a combination of any of these words, we're going to show up in places where they're going to find and buy from us. It's as simple as that. Type a word, make money consistently. Type another word, make money consistently. Product description is its own kind of science. Keywords do not matter very much here, so we write purely to convert the visitor into a buyer. We don't have to try that hard, but there's a little formula that I use called lead, own, benefit, believe, and close.